Come test drive the 2018 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.